So they found a whale skeleton in the middle of the Sahara Desert, and they don't really know how it got there.
No, we do know how it got there. There's actually plenty of scientific evidence, which we're going to get to, but first, let's see what you believe.
Well, they actually found more than one. As a matter of fact, close to 1,000 whale skeletons were uncovered in this part of the desert, first found in 1902.
Correct. This area in Egypt known as Wadi al-Hitan is one of the best places in the world to see whale fossils. In fact, we can track whale evolution in this area.
With a near-perfect skeleton almost fully intact, discovered as recently as 2016. Some claim it may be an indicator of a certain lost civilization that got swept by the sea.
Why would you assume that it's an indication of a lost civilization? Do you realize how old these fossils are?
Because about 5 to 10,000 years ago, science shows the entire Sahara Desert was actually a luscious green oasis, and even hosted what would be the largest lake in the world, known as Lake Megachad. Yeah, really, that's what it's called.
A classic example of a conspiracy theorist talking about two different time zones to make a story sound cool. The African humid period had nothing to do with these whales. Let's nip that in the bud right there. The African humid period occurred between 5,000 to 20,000 years ago due to changes in climate, mostly impacted by the Milankovitch cycles, which is how the Earth moves in relation to the Sun. It's cyclical, which means it comes every 20,000 years, which is why it existed 5,000 years ago, coming out of the late Pleistocene. The whale fossils, on the other hand, are from the Middle Eocene. Now, to give you perspective, here's a time chart. The Eocene is 40 million years ago. They are not related in the slightest.
And it was bigger and deeper than any other lake on Earth.
It was bigger and deeper than any lake on Earth.